This is Way of the Cross with Brother Woody. Good morning to everyone. Well, I'm reading from 2 Timothy chapter 4. And Paul is telling his brother Timothy how he should preach the word. And you know, it's good for us today. We have to take note. There are so many ministers on television that are just giving the wrong message and not really teaching the word. Well, I don't want to judge anyone, but here is what Paul tells us today as well as Timothy in the past. In chapter 4, verse 2, preach the word. Be insistent in season and out of season. Reprove, rebuke, exhort with all long-suffering and doctrine. Verse 3, for the time will come when they will not endure sound doctrine, but after their own lusts shall they heap to themselves teachers having itching ears, and they shall turn away their ears from the truth and shall be turned into fables. Do the work of an evangelist. Make full proof of thy ministry. All right, my friend, be careful and preach the word. Preach the word of the Lord unto salvation. Thank you for tuning in to Way of the Cross. The Lord bless you and keep you until we meet again. This is Brother Woody saying have a good day.